Hey everyone, ever wondered what's happening beneath your skin? Let's break down the 3 layers of skin and why your skincare routine is key. First up, the epidermis. This is your skin's outer layer. It's the barrier that protects you from the environment. Skincare products here help with hydration and protect against damage. Think of it as your skin's shield. Next, the dermis. This middle layer contains collagen and elastin, which keep your skin firm and supple. Good skincare stimulates collagen production, reducing wrinkles and keeping your skin youthful. Finally, the hypodermis. This deepest layer stores fat and helps insulate your body. It's not directly affected by skincare, but overall skin health supports this layer's function. Proper skincare reaches the epidermis and dermis, boosting hydration, elasticity, and protection. It's crucial for maintaining healthy, glowing skin. Stay tuned for more tips on keeping your skin fabulous. Don't forget to like and subscribe for your skincare glow up.